that the 34,000 travelers passing through every hour could power 6,500 light bulbs. In addition to floors, the technology could also be installed beneath railway lines and on road bridges to exploit the energy of passing trains and vehicles. Under the floor generators could in theory be used in any place where there are large numbers of pedestrians, although the expense of the technology at its current stage of development means that it is unlikely to become widespread for several years. It's pretty expensive. And any surface that readily moves under the impact of pedestrians walking, such as footbridges, could potentially be adapted. There is also an idea that possible locations could also include powering floodlights at sports stadiums for the spectators walking around the stadium.
And then in conclusion, in the long run, all of the renewable energy sources could potentially help the economy and the environment. And we think that depending on the environment and the amount of money that you are willing to invest, it would dictate which alternate energy source you are willing to use. So overall, we decided that renewable energy would be a good future investment though.
That's it.
Questions?
Yes, sir. I mean, what kind of conclusion is this? I mean, we know that, you know. I mean, alternative energy sources, it's a, how can I say, it's good investment. I mean, but that's something we have been saying for the past 40 years, right? You know, and the point is that, I mean, we are saying, you know, I mean, but this idea of going toward renewable energy sources, it's nothing new, right? We have been saying this for 40 years. You know, we started saying this pretty much 1970s. You know, we will run out of oil, we will run out of coal, you know. So get to that, you know, something like wind or solar, for example, right? You know, but okay. So my question would be, let's see, which one for the state of Ohio? Okay, which energy source do you think, you know, let's say government will subsidize? You know, a power plant, for example, or give a tax credit, but let's